These are husbands. These are children, their sons, their daughters, their fathers. We're not asking you to do anything but what is right and what is humane.
Also today, Governor DeWine announced Ohio's first state prison death from COVID-19. As you heard there, concerned families of inmates are filing emergency reprieves, pleading with the governor to release thousands of prisoners. Tonight, investigator Rachel Polansky takes the debate to the state attorney general, as well as the wives of inmates, in this 3 News exclusive.
Today, the governor called on the National Guard to lend help as he confirmed 146 positive cases among inmates and 119 positive cases among staff statewide. More than 100 of those cases are at Marion Correctional.
As his wife, it's really difficult not to be scared for his safety and health.
That's where Azura Crispino's husband, James Jalalia, is serving 17 years for a robbery he committed in 2008. He's eligible for early release this June. Crispino is hoping that he won't have to wait that long.
We need to be taking extreme and immediate steps to be decarcerating as many people as possible.
By sending this emergency reprieve to the governor, Cleveland attorney Sarah Gelsomino is trying to do just that.
The governor has the ability under the law to, without a hearing and without review, release prisoners.
Now, this does not mean that inmates would be sent home for good.
Switch to your left.
It means their sentences would be temporarily suspended for the duration of the COVID-19 pandemic.
We know that the governor has a lot of executive power, should he choose to use it.
Governor DeWine has started taking steps to release 167 inmates due to overcrowding concerns. But there are 49,000 inmates in the state. 167 does not account for even 1% of them.
That is a drop in the bucket.
I'm glad it was only a drop in the bucket.
Attorney General Dave Yost says he has not seen the emergency reprieve, but he already knows how he feels about it.
Our prisons have a lot of dangerous people in them, and the notion that we somehow ought to just open the doors of the prisons and let everybody out is an absurdity.
He also says that inmates and their families' concerns are largely overblown.
96.5% of the people over 60 recover from this disease.
Words that do not soothe Chastity Bowman.
We're afraid that they're going to get sick and die.
Whose husband, Rufus Bowman, is serving 9 years for robbery and assault at Toledo Correctional, where 2 inmates have tested positive.
This virus inside the prisons is like trapping a tornado inside of a box, and it's going to spin out of control.
And as I reported last week over at Elkton, our state's only federal prison, 24 inmates and 14 staff have tested positive for COVID-19, and 3 inmates have died. Russ.
Rachel, I understand things are not much better at the Cuyahoga County Jail. Is that correct?
That is also correct. Just yesterday, we confirmed that 21 inmates over at the county jail have been confirmed for COVID-19.
Wow. Okay. Rachel Polansky, thank you.